born in UP but brought up in Bangalore. So I've done my MBA in HR and marketing from Bangalore itself. And this is my first startup meet. And I'm already into the HR and marketing from past 7 to 8 years. So I help the small scale industry in hiring, in resourcing, in manpower. But also I'm a great fan of traveling. So I'm like cutting it short actually. The story goes long but I'll cut it short. So when it comes to the traveling, so my startup is all about the travel. Okay. So when I started traveling, so I realized there is little loopholes. All of you might have gone through packages and certain packages, which is set of packages you would have gone through. But some of you are not okay with it. Like you don't like adventure, maybe you don't like to have a very tidy schedule or something. So I felt like there should be a platform where somebody can make their own itineraries. Like I'm a personalized itinerary maker. So this one I'm doing off. Like my full time is into the education and HR, but also I want to give a part in the travel industry. Since the COVID comeback, there is a lot of travel. I mean, I think all of you might be traveling, anywhere. I don't think so. You'll be only bound to your hometown. Maybe you are traveling for work, or maybe for leisure, or for business, anything. So I want to create a platform where we can provide you the personalized itineraries according to your interests. So what I am looking for is the connect and also the technology I'm looking for. And yes, if somebody wants to join, because this is kind of a huge platform. Travel industry has boomed a lot after the COVID and even before COVID. And even the foreign travelers has increased a lot. So there is cultural traveling and all that. So I want to make a part of it. So that's all about
you're looking for tech support, you're looking for a co-founder as well, and general connect. Two truths and a lie.
Truths and a lie. Yes, I heard everyone. So I did skydiving. I can speak French, and I can eat non-veg.
Can eat.
You can eat.
Can तो सब लोग भी कर सकते हैं.
Because there is 2 lie and 1 truth.
It's okay, we'll change it. Let's guess the truth. Let's guess the truth. Which is the truth in this? Can you repeat the three? You can skydive, you can speak French, and you can eat non-veg.
She can speak French as a
French is
truth.
the truth. Okay, great.